In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to become Xero certified in 2026. If you're an accountant, bookkeeper, business owner, or someone looking to boost your finance career, getting Xero certified is a powerful way to stand out and show clients and employers that you know exactly how to use the software. I'll show you exactly where to go, what to click, and how to complete both Level 1 and Level 2 so you can become fully advisor certified. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open your web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in central.xero.com and press enter. This will take you to Xero Central, which is Xero's official learning and support hub. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. Go ahead and sign in using your Xero account credentials. If you're practicing or learning, you can use your demo company login details. After logging in successfully, you'll be inside Xero Central. Now, look at the top navigation bar and click on the Learning tab. This is where Xero provides all of its official training materials, courses, and certification programs. When you click on Learning, you'll be taken to a page that displays different training paths and resources. Scroll down the page until you see the section labeled Certifications. This section is specifically designed for users who want to earn official Xero credentials. Under Certifications, look for the tile labeled L1 Xero Advisor Certification, sometimes referred to as L1 Xero Associate Certification, depending on the region. This is the first level and the starting point for becoming certified. Click on that certification tile to open the course details. You'll now see an overview of what the Level 1 certification includes. This typically covers the fundamentals of using Xero, such as setting up an organization, managing invoices and bills, bank reconciliation, reporting, and basic financial workflows. When you're ready to begin, click the blue Enroll button. Once you enroll, you'll gain access to the course modules. Work through each lesson carefully. Take your time to understand the concepts, complete any quizzes, and review the training materials. The course is designed to build your confidence using Xero in real-world scenarios, so don't rush it. After completing all the required modules, you'll be prompted to take the Level 1 certification assessment. Pass the assessment, and you'll officially earn your Level 1 certification. But we're not done yet if your goal is to become fully advisor certified. The next step is to repeat the process for Level 2. To do this, go back to the Learning section in Xero Central. Scroll down again to Certifications, and this time select the L2 Xero Professional Certification. Click on the Level 2 tile to view the course details, then click the blue Enroll button to start. Level 2 goes deeper into advanced features, more complex workflows, and best practices for managing clients within Xero. Just like with Level 1, complete all the lessons and pass the final assessment. Once you successfully finish Level 2, you'll be recognized as fully Xero Advisor certified. This certification can enhance your professional profile, increase trust with clients, and even help you get listed in Xero's advisor directory, depending on your region and partner status. And that's it. That's exactly how to become Xero certified step by step in 2026. Open central.xero.com, log in, go to the Learning tab, enroll in Level 1, complete it, and then move on to Level 2 to become fully certified. If this video made the process clear and easy to follow, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.